Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the 9th grade math course. In today's video, we're going to be writing algebraic expressions in the real world. Also, don't forget to watch the other 3 videos as they are tied with this video. Enough of the intro, let's get started. We're going to write algebraic expressions, but we're going to learn it in a real world context. We're going to see how writing algebraic expressions can help solve everyday problems. Alright guys, let's go to example number 1, which is Tony's t-shirt purchase. Tony plans to buy t-shirts. Each shirt costs $19.95. He has a $10 off coupon. We have to write an algebraic expression for his total cost when buying X shirts. We will get, so to find his total cost when buying X t-shirts, then first we have to analyze how much does one shirt cost. One shirt costs $19.95, and we're going to be multiplying by however many shirts he buys, so it would be 19.95 times X. X represents how many t-shirts he bought. So now we're not done with this problem. So we see, and he has a $10 off coupon, but he doesn't have it for every shirt. So it's only one time $10 off coupon. So we're going to be subtracting by 10, and that is the equation for this example. 19.95x minus 10. That will get you to what the total cost will be. This means the total cost is $19.95 per shirt minus the $10 coupon. Okay guys, now it's time for you guys to solve this problem. Write an expression for the total cost to buy Y number of tickets, each costing $12.50 with a $5 discount. Pause the video, and when you're finished, you can unpause the video. So let's see what the expression is. So first we're gonna start to buy Y number of tickets, so Y will be the variable, each costing $12.50, meaning one ticket is $12.50. So we would write this as $12.50 times Y with a $5 discount. So we're going to do minus 5. And that will be the expression. Write down in the comments below if you got this right. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to practice, and I'll see you in the next one.